Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you make money online. With so many opportunities available, there's never been a better time to start earning an income from the comfort of your own home. But with so many choices out there, it can be tough to know where to begin from. That's why we've done the research and found the best apps that can help you earn a passive income with just a few taps. So sit back, relax, let's get started. Today we're talking about the 5 most profitable apps you can use to earn extra cash. Number 5, eBay or Amazon. You can make money online by selling items on eBay or Amazon. You can sell new or used items you no longer need or buy things at a low price and sell them for a profit. Both platforms have a large customer base and offer various selling options, such as auction-style listings or fixed-price sales. Additionally, you can also sell handmade or unique items on Amazon through their handmade or artisan category. You can sell anything from new and used items to vintage collectibles and handmade items. When listing your item, be sure to provide detailed descriptions and high-quality photos to help your listing stand out. Another way to make money on eBay is through drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can source products from suppliers and sell them on eBay without even holding any inventory. All you need to do is find a supplier, list the products on eBay, and handle customer service. The supplier will take care of shipping the products directly to the customer. Next up, let's talk about Amazon. Like eBay, Amazon is a vast online marketplace with millions of customers. You can sell new, used, or even handmade or unique items through their handmade or artisan category. In addition to selling physical products, you can make money on Amazon through their Kindle Direct publishing platform. By writing and selling ebooks, Amazon offers several categories to choose from, including books, electronics, and clothing. When listing your items, be sure to provide detailed descriptions and high-quality photos that help your listing stand out. Amazon provides tools to help you manage your sales, including a shipping calculator, order management tools, and customer service support. Amazon also handles transactions and payments for you, so you don't need to worry about handling financial transactions by yourself. Number 4, Airbnb. Do you have a spare room in your home? Put it to good use by becoming a host on Airbnb. This popular home sharing platform allows you to rent out your space to travelers and earn money based on the number of nights they stay. Not only is it a great way to earn some extra cash, but it's also a fun way to meet people from the entire world. Becoming an Airbnb host is accessible. Sign up, create a listing for your space, and start welcoming in guests. You can set your rates and choose the dates you want to rent your room. Plus, with the platform's strict security measures, you can feel confident that your home and belongings are protected. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or just want to share your space with travelers, Airbnb is a great way to make money online. With the increasing popularity of home sharing, there's never been a better time to sign up and start earning. When setting the price for your space, consider the location, size, and amenities. You can also research other listings in your area to see what the average price is for similar spaces. Consider the cost of cleaning and other expenses when setting your price. Airbnb provides several tools to help you manage your listing, including a calendar that syncs with your other schedule and a messaging system that allows you to communicate with guests. You'll also receive payment through Airbnb, so you don't need to worry about handling transactions. Providing a high-quality experience for your guests is essential, including a clean and well-maintained space and excellent communication. You can also offer extra amenities, such as breakfast or airport pickup, to make your space more appealing to guests. One important thing to remember is to stay on top of your listing status. Respond to guests' inquiries and bookings promptly and update your calendar regularly to reflect your availability. Consider offering special deals and discounts, especially for extended stays, to attract more guests and increase your bookings. You can also make your listing stand out by providing detailed descriptions and high-quality photos that showcase your space and its features. Number 3, Swag Bucks. Swag Bucks is a popular rewards program that allows you to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and more. It's a simple and easy way to make money in your free time, and the best part is that you don't even have to leave your house. Simply sign up and start earning points. You can complete surveys, watch videos, play games, and more to earn points. Once you have enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards or cash via PayPal. With so many different ways to earn points, it's easy to rack up rewards quickly. In addition to earning points, you can earn cash back when shopping online through Swag Bucks. Start online shopping through the Swag Bucks portal and earn cash back on your purchases. It's a great way to save money and earn rewards simultaneously. It's essential to be consistent and use Swagbucks regularly to maximize your earnings. You can also refer friends and family to join Swagbucks to earn even more rewards. One way to maximize your profits on Swagbucks is to take advantage of the Daily Goal Meter. You can earn bonus SB for reaching your daily goal, so complete as many tasks as you can each day. Swagbucks also offers a browser extension called the Swag Button, which notifies you of available cashback opportunities and coupons while shopping online. This is an easy way to earn extra SB without thinking about it. Finally, make sure to take advantage of Swagbucks' promotions and special offers. Swagbucks frequently runs limited time offers, such as bonus SB for completing surveys or special cashback rates at certain retailers. Keep an eye on your email and the Swagbucks' website to ensure you take advantage of all opportunities to earn extra rewards. Number 2, TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people with local freelancers who can help with everyday tasks. Whether cleaning, gardening, or running errands, TaskRabbit has a freelancer for about anything. As a tasker, you can sign up, create a profile, and start accepting tasks in your area. You set your rates and choose which tasks you'd like to take on, making it a flexible way to earn money on your schedule. Whether looking for a side hustle or a full-time job, TaskRabbit is a great way to make money using your skills. With the platform's strict security measures, you can feel confident that your personal information and payment are protected. Plus, with the increasing demand for on-demand services, there's never been a better time to sign up and start earning. To get started, you'll need to create a TaskRabbit account and complete a background check. TaskRabbit will verify your skills and experience and match you with tasks in your area. TaskRabbit allows you to set your rate, so make sure to price your services competitively while being fair to yourself. You can also offer additional services, such as deep cleaning or furniture assembly, to increase your earnings. It's essential to build a positive reputation on TaskRabbit by providing excellent customer service and following through on tasks promptly and efficiently. This will help you attract more work and increase your earnings over time. And finally, number 1, Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular online marketplace where different freelancers offer their services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or developer, there's a place for you on Fiverr. Sign up, create a profile, and start offering your services. You'll need to create a Fiverr account and set up your profile to get started. You'll be able to showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio, so make sure your profile is complete and professional. You set your rates and choose which projects you'd like to work on, making it a flexible way to earn money online. Once your profile is set up and you're offering services, it's time to start marketing yourself on Fiverr. Use keywords and tags to ensure your profile and services are easy to find. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally, and provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and attract repeat business. You can also offer premium services and upsell your customers to increase your earnings. Offer fast delivery or revisions for an additional fee, or create custom packages that include multiple services. Fiverr is a great way to make money if you have a specific skill or talent. With the platform's strict security measures, you can feel confident that your personal information and payments are protected. Plus, with the increasing demand for online freelancers, there's never been a better time to sign up and start earning. That's it for today, folks. We hope you found our list of the 5 most profitable apps helpful and informative. Don't forget to try them out and start making money online today. Whether looking for a side hustle or a full-time job, these platforms can help you earn money on your schedule. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.